Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are going to dive into the best shoe wrap machine you can find on the market, the Allyplay 2025 Upgraded Shoe Cover Dispenser Automatic Machine. This device is truly a game changer for anyone looking to maintain cleanliness in their home, office, or workplace. And we're excited to tell you all about it. The Allyplay Shoe Cover Dispenser is designed to make your life easier. This automatic machine is perfect for quick, efficient, and hassle-free shoe cover application. It's incredibly simple to use. All you need to do is step on the pedal, and within 1 second, a disposable shoe cover is perfectly applied to your shoe. Imagine no more bending down or manually struggling with shoe covers. It's all done in a flash. What makes this machine stand out is its sturdy construction. The dispenser features a robust pedal system, durable ABS materials, and reliable spring-loaded T-shaped buckles. These elements ensure that the machine remains stable and lasts a long time, even with frequent use. And with a non-slip base, you can count on it staying in place no matter where you decide to use it. Another great feature is its versatility. The Allyplay machine is compatible with 99% of shoe sizes. Which means whether you're wearing small shoes, large boots, or anything in between, this machine will fit your needs. This universal compatibility ensures that everyone can benefit from the convenience of automatic shoe cover dispensing. It's not just for home use either. This shoe cover dispenser is ideal for a variety of settings. Whether you need it for your office, a hospital, a factory, or a laboratory, this machine is designed to adapt to all these environments. It's the perfect solution for keeping floors clean and free from dirt and debris. Installing the Allyplay shoe cover dispenser is also incredibly easy. You simply press the T-shaped button on the side of the machine, insert the T-shaped button of the shoe cover into the slot, and you're ready to go. No complex assembly required, just quick and easy setup. To top it all off, the machine comes with 200 disposable shoe covers, so you don't need to worry about purchasing additional covers right away. These covers are thick, durable, and designed to withstand different types of environments, providing you with long-lasting protection. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best shoe wrap machine for your home, office, or any other indoor space, the Allyplay 2025 Upgraded Shoe Cover Dispenser Automatic Machine is your top choice. Its ease of use, durability, and versatility make it a standout in the world of shoe cover dispensers. So, go ahead and make your life a little easier with this amazing device. Thanks for watching Product Critique.